Hey guys, welcome back to No Code School. So today we are going to look at top 10 design resources that anyone can use. So let's start with Blush. Blush is a free and open website where you can create and customize stunning illustrations from a wide selection or a wide collection. Blush also provides us a way so that it can be used as a Figma plugin. So now let's dive into Blush. Blush helps us to choose an illustration from a wide collection of themes and styles. We can also customize those illustrations as our need and save them as a PNG or an SVG. So now let's look at some of the illustrations provided by Blush. So to edit an image, just click on the edit button on each image. So here we can customize those illustrations as one pieces. So here I'm going to change the cycle and then I'm going to change the hairstyle. Now I'm going to change the facial expression and we can also change how the upper body looks. So after customizing the illustration according to one's need, we can download the illustration as a small PNG, a medium PNG, a large PNG and even an SVG. We can also share this image by copying the image's URL or the editorial URL. So that's all about Blush. Now let us look at Lsgraphics. Lsgraphics is one of the most popular device mockup tool provider. Here we can find large number of illustrations, free mockups, device mockups, UI UX designs and much more. So now let's look at some of the freebies provided. This is a free iPhone 14 Pro mockup. To download this mockup, just click on the download button provided at the bottom. Here we need to write a new email so that a mail will be generated with the download link. From that we could easily download the mockup we decide. The next website that I would like to introduce is UnDraw. UnDraw is a free and open source illustration provider that has a large collection of vector illustrations. So now let's browse through UnDraw. Here we can either search for a new illustration by clicking on the search bar on the top, or we could easily browse to the entire website. We can download an vector illustration as an SVG or a PNG according to our project need. So I'm going to search for Halloween right here. It provides us with a large number of vector illustrations. We can change the color of the illustrations by clicking over the color box on the top. Here I'm changing the color to yellow. Now let's discuss Freepick. Freepick is a free and open website where a large number of vectors, illustrations, photos, templates, fonts, mockups, background and text effects are available. It also contains a large category containing different types of themes and styles. We can either save the image, collect the image, or we can easily download the image here. To download the image, just click on the download button. So that's all about Freepick. Website number 5 is Iconscout. Iconscout is an easy to use design resource and a plugin. It has a large collection of 3D illustrations, Lottie animations, illustrations and vector icons. So let's see what is meant by a Lottie animation. Basically, Lottie animations are small files that can be worked on any device and can be scaled up or down without any fixation. Iconscout provides us with a large number of Lottie animations. So let's check one of them. Here we have a large collection of Lottie animations. We can either save them by pressing on the collect button or we can easily share them. So now let's check out Creative Toolkit. Creative Toolkit is a collection of physical elements such as illustrations, vectors and any 3D characters. It also contains elements or illustrations from different websites all around the world. It also contains illustrations and images from websites such as People Bundies and Artify. So when we are selecting certain illustrations, we will be naturally redirected to those specified websites. So here I'm going for 3D lectures. So to download them, just click on the download button on the bottom. So that's all. So now let us look at Drawkit. Drawkit is an easy to use website with a large number of illustrations. We can search for a new illustration right here on the search bar. Drawkit also contains a large number of different types of illustration. It contains 2D illustration, 3D illustrations, icons, animations, and mockups. So let's browse through them. To download an image while browsing, just click on the download button. To download the image from the system, just click on the download button in the right corner. Our next website is Iconscout. Iconscout provides us with more trendier, more professional and better matching illustrations. So let's check them out. So here we can download the image directly, or we can add new text, new background or even elements to it. We can then download the image by clicking on the download button on the top. We can copy its HTML code and paste it on our HTML website, or download it as a low resolution PNG. We can also download animated illustrations from Iconscout. So let's check it out. So Iconscout provides us with a large selection of animated illustrations. So I'm going to select one among them. So basically we can download them as a static illustration or as an animated illustration. We can switch them by selecting on the top button. So it is quite easy to download the animated illustration. Just click on the download button in the right corner. Now let's check out Craftwork. Craftwork.design helps us to find and download high quality 3D vector illustrations, fonts, designs, mockups and much more. We can either download those illustrations directly or buy them out. So now let's check out some of those freebies. We can download these freebies for free by double tapping over them. Download them by clicking on Get for Free. The final design resource that everyone should know is Morflax Studio. Morflax Studio is used to create high quality 3D illustrations and other 3D content. It is also used to create mockups and much more. To create a new 3D illustration or a 3D image, just click on the lighting symbol or the lighting tab in the web page. On clicking the lighting tab or lighting switch, you will be redirected to another web page where we could simply edit or customize the image. We can change how or where it looks, we can change its shape, its color, what type of material is used and much more. We can also add new shapes to the design if needed. We can also provide them with different types of coloring or different types of light to enhance its beauty. We can then download those illustrations by clicking on export.
So that's all guys, hope you guys learned something new. For more such content, like, share and subscribe No Code School.